Tangem wallet versus Ledger Nano X, which cold wallet is better? Looking for the best cold wallet to store your cryptocurrency? Today, we're putting two popular options head to head. Tangem wallet versus Ledger Nano X. These wallets are both designed to give you control of your crypto, but they do go about it in a very different ways. One look like a sleek bank card and the other is a secure Bluetooth powered hardware wallet. So, which is more secure, easy to use, and worth your investment? Stick around and let's break it all down. And so all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. The first thing that I want to talk about is the basics. What are Tangem Wallet and Ledger Nano X? Basically, Tangem Wallet is a card-based hardware wallet that works through NFC or a near-field communication. You tap the card against your phone and using the Tangem application, you can manage your assets. It's seedless, meaning there's no recovery phrase and each card contains a secure chip. Ledger Nano X, on the other hand, is a more traditional hardware wallet. It has Bluetooth and USB connectivity and uses a secure element chip along with Ledger Live software to interact with your crypto asset. It does come with a 24-word seed phrase for backup. And so, let's go ahead and compare their security first. Security is the heart of any cold wallet, so let's talk about it on this video. So basically for Tangem Wallet, they uses EAL6+. It is a certified secure chip, same level as biometric passport. The private keys are generated and stored within the chip itself and never leaves the card. Because there's no recovery phrase, you're encouraged to have at least 3 backup cards. If you lost all of these cards, you will go ahead and lose your crypto forever. So using Tangem Wallet, you want to go ahead and keep those cards safe. For Ledger Nano X, they uses a BOLOS OS on top of a secure chip. It does require user to back up a 24-word seed phrase, which can be a point of failure if not stored properly. However, this method is widely trusted in the crypto community and allows recovery on other wallets. Now the bottom line is Ledger offers traditional flexibility, but Tangem reduces risk by eliminating seed phrases. It's ideal for beginners or those who want simplicity. From there, let's then go ahead and talk about the user experience and interface. Tangem's biggest selling point is its simplicity. There's no need to go ahead and plug it in anything, no cables, and no seed phrases. You simply use the Tangem application and tap your card at the back of your phone. Now, Ledger Nano X has a steeper learning curve, but it gives you a more hand-on and flexible approach to asset management. With Ledger Live, you can manage multiple wallets, connect to dApps via Wallet Connect, and stake coins. If you want a fast, no-fuzz setup, Tangem wins because once again, all you have to do is to tap the Tangem card at the back of your phone and you will be able to access it using their application. If you want more detailed controls, Ledger Nano X wins. Now let's talk about the supported cryptocurrencies and dApps. First, Tangem Wallet. They support over 6,000 tokens and coins across multiple blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and more. However, it doesn't have the native dApp integration yet, meaning you can't use DeFi apps directly from the wallet at this point. Now, Ledger Nano X supports thousands of coins and tokens, and thanks to its Ledger Live Plus Wallet Connect, it integrates with DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, and staking protocols like Lido, Compound, and more. If you're into advanced DeFi or NFTs, Ledger Nano X is going to be the winner. For just holding, Tangem is more than enough. Now let's talk about their pricing and value. Tangem Wallet pricing starts around $50 or $80 for a 2 or 3 card pack. Each card is a complete standalone wallet. The more cards you get, the safer your recovery options is. because once again, once you lose all of your cards, you will go ahead and lose your wallet forever. Now, for Ledger Nano X, they are priced around 150 USD, which includes one device and a USB cable. While more expensive, it offers more features like Bluetooth and the D-app support. For budget pick, you want to choose Tangem, and for feature-rich pick, Ledger Nano X. Now, let's then get to the backup and recovery options to go ahead and explain the Tangem even further. Basically, the Tangem's backup method is having multiple cards. When you activate your card, you're prompted to back it up with 2 or more cards. Lose all your card, your funds are lost forever. But there's no way a hacker can go ahead and fish your seed phrase because it doesn't even exist. So, when talking about security and recovery, Tangem Wallet is the safest out there, but once again, you want to go ahead and make sure that you store your cards safely. Now, with the Ledger Nano X, it uses the traditional 24-word recovery phrases. You can store this physical or use a third-party solutions like CryptoSteel. It's more flexible but requires vigilance. If you're forgetful, Tangem simplicity may be safer, but if you're organized, Ledger's flexibility is unmatched. Now let's talk about their use cases. You want to use Tangem if you're a beginner, you want something that you can carry in your wallet, you hate dealing with seed phrases, and you need a simple way to secure long-term holdings. You want to use Ledger Nano X if you want full control over your assets, if you use DeFi platforms and NFT marketplaces, if you need integration with multiple apps, and if you're comfortable managing seed phrases. Now, as my final thought, Tangem Wallet is incredibly beginner-friendly, minimalist, and practical. It removes user error from seed phrase storage and gives you the option of multiple backups. It's great for long-term holding and simple use. Ledger Nano X gives advanced users the power and control they need. You can interact with DeFi, stake coins, and manage multiple wallets all from one sleek device. So basically, if this video has been helped you, you can go ahead and comment down below if you're leaning towards Tangem and Ledger Nano X. Once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto wallet tutorials and comparison. Let us know in the comments which wallet are you using and why. And if you want a full setup tutorial for either of these wallets, just drop a request below. Thanks for watching and stay secure in the crypto world.